What if the secret to living longer wasn't hidden in expensive treatments, complicated supplements, or extreme diets, but sitting right on your plate every single day? Scientists who study the world's longest living populations, from Okinawa in Japan to Sardinia in Italy, have discovered something remarkable. Many of these people regularly eat simple foods that are incredibly rich in nutrients that protect the heart, strengthen the brain, reduce inflammation, and even slow the aging process. In today's video, we're revealing 15 powerful superfoods that can help extend your life and dramatically improve your health. Some of these foods may already be in your kitchen, while others might surprise you. Make sure you stay until the very end, because the final superfood is one of the most powerful longevity foods you can add to your diet. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries may be small, but they are one of the most powerful superfoods you can eat for longevity. They are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which help protect your body's cells from oxidative stress. This type of cellular damage is one of the main contributors to aging and many chronic diseases. By helping neutralize harmful free radicals, blueberries support healthier cells and may help slow down some of the aging processes in the body. Blueberries are also incredibly beneficial for brain health. The antioxidants in these berries help improve communication between brain cells and protect neurons from damage. Studies suggest that people who regularly eat blueberries may experience better memory and a lower risk of age-related cognitive decline. In addition, blueberries support heart health, which is essential for living a longer life. They can help improve blood vessel function, lower blood pressure, and reduce harmful cholesterol levels. Even a small handful of blueberries added to your daily meals can provide a powerful boost for your overall health. Number 2. Salmon. Salmon is widely considered one of the healthiest foods you can eat, especially when it comes to longevity. This fatty fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to many age-related diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and even cognitive decline. By helping control inflammation, salmon supports overall long-term health. Another important benefit of salmon is its ability to support heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids help lower triglyceride levels, improve blood vessel function, and maintain healthy cholesterol levels. These effects can significantly reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, which remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Salmon is also an excellent source of high-quality protein, vitamin D, and essential nutrients that support muscle strength, bone health, and brain function as we age. Including salmon in your meals a few times a week can provide powerful nutrients that help protect your body and support a longer, healthier life. Before we move to the next food, take a quick moment to like this video and subscribe to Healthy Grams. It helps the channel grow and allows us to keep creating videos that help you live healthier and longer. Number 3. Avocados. Avocados are often called one of the healthiest foods on the planet, and for good reason. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, the same type of heart-healthy fats found in olive oil. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation in the body and support healthy cholesterol levels, both of which are important for protecting your heart and promoting long-term health. Another powerful benefit of avocados is their ability to help the body absorb important nutrients. The healthy fats in avocados improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins A, D, E, and K from other foods you eat. This means that adding avocado to meals can actually help your body get more nutritional value from your overall diet. Avocados are also packed with fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, which help regulate blood pressure, support digestive health, and protect cells from damage. Regularly including avocados in your meals can help support heart health, improve nutrient intake, and contribute to a healthier lifestyle that promotes longevity. Number 4. Nuts. Nuts are one of the most powerful foods you can add to a longevity-focused diet. Varieties such as almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and cashews are packed with healthy fats, plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. These nutrients work together to support heart health and help reduce inflammation in the body, which plays a major role in many chronic diseases. Research has consistently shown that people who regularly eat nuts tend to have a lower risk of heart disease and other serious health conditions. The healthy fats found in nuts help improve cholesterol levels by lowering harmful LDL cholesterol while supporting beneficial HDL cholesterol. This makes nuts an excellent food for protecting cardiovascular health. Nuts also provide important minerals such as magnesium, potassium, and antioxidants that help support brain function, muscle health, and overall cellular protection. Even a small handful of nuts each day can provide lasting health benefits and contribute to a diet that supports a longer and healthier life. Number 5. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula are some of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. These vegetables are packed with essential vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K, along with powerful antioxidants that help protect your body's cells from damage. Because of their high nutrient content and low calorie levels, leafy greens are considered one of the best foods for maintaining long-term health. Another major benefit of leafy greens is their ability to support heart health and healthy blood circulation. These vegetables contain natural compounds that help relax blood vessels, lower blood pressure, and improve overall cardiovascular function. Regularly consuming leafy greens has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Leafy greens are also rich in fiber and important plant compounds that support digestion and reduce inflammation throughout the body. By adding leafy greens to your meals, whether in salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes, you can give your body powerful nutrients that help support overall health and longevity. And before we reveal the next powerful food, make sure to hit the like button if you're enjoying this video so far. Number 6. Olive oil. Olive oil is one of the healthiest fats you can include in your diet and is a key part of the famous Mediterranean diet, which is often associated with longer life and better overall health. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats that help reduce inflammation and support heart health. These healthy fats can help lower harmful LDL cholesterol while increasing beneficial HDL cholesterol. Another important benefit of olive oil comes from its powerful antioxidants and plant compounds. These natural compounds help protect your cells from oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. Many studies have linked regular olive oil consumption with improved cardiovascular health and reduced inflammation. Olive oil is also incredibly versatile and easy to include in your daily meals. Whether used in salads, drizzled over vegetables, or added to cooked dishes, olive oil provides valuable nutrients that support heart health, protect your cells, and contribute to a healthier lifestyle that promotes longevity. Number 7. Garlic. Garlic has been used for both food and medicine for thousands of years. This simple ingredient contains powerful natural compounds, especially one called allicin, which gives garlic many of its health-promoting properties. These compounds help fight inflammation and protect the body's cells from damage that can contribute to aging and disease. Another major benefit of garlic is its ability to support heart health. Studies have shown that garlic can help lower blood pressure and reduce levels of harmful LDL cholesterol. By improving circulation and supporting healthy blood vessels, garlic may help reduce the risk of heart disease, which is one of the most common health problems as people age. Garlic also helps strengthen the immune system thanks to its natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. Regularly adding fresh garlic to your meals can help the body defend itself against infections while providing important nutrients that support overall health and longevity. Number 8. Green tea. Green tea is widely considered one of the healthiest beverages in the world. It is rich in powerful antioxidants known as catechins, which help protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals. This protection plays an important role in slowing the aging process and reducing the risk of many chronic diseases. Another impressive benefit of green tea is its ability to support heart and metabolic health. Studies suggest that regularly drinking green tea may help lower cholesterol levels, improve blood vessel function, and support healthy blood pressure. These effects can contribute to a lower risk of cardiovascular disease over time. Green tea may also help support brain health and energy levels. It contains a moderate amount of caffeine along with an amino acid called L-theanine, which can improve focus and mental alertness without the jittery feeling that strong coffee sometimes causes. Drinking green tea regularly can be a simple habit that supports both longevity and overall well-being. Number 9. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are some of the most important foods found in many of the world's longest living populations. These simple but powerful foods are rich in plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients that help support overall health. Because they are highly nutritious and naturally low in fat, beans and lentils are excellent foods for maintaining a balanced and healthy diet. One of the biggest benefits of beans and lentils is their ability to support heart health and stable blood sugar levels. The high fiber content content helps slow digestion and prevents sudden spikes in blood sugar. At the same time, fiber helps lower cholesterol levels, which can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. Beans and lentils are also incredibly beneficial for gut health. Their fiber helps feed the beneficial bacteria in the digestive system, supporting a healthy gut microbiome. Scientists now believe that a healthy gut plays a major role in immunity, metabolism, and overall longevity, making beans and lentils a valuable addition to a long-term healthy diet. Number 10. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are one of the most widely consumed and nutritious foods in the world. They are rich in a powerful antioxidant called lycopene, which gives tomatoes their bright red color. Lycopene helps protect the body's cells from oxidative damage, which is one of the major factors involved in aging and many chronic diseases. One of the most important benefits of tomatoes is their ability to support heart health. Studies have shown that lycopene may help reduce harmful cholesterol levels and improve blood vessel function. These effects can lower the risk of heart disease and help maintain healthy circulation throughout the body. Tomatoes are also a great source of vitamin C, potassium, and other beneficial plant compounds that support the immune system and overall health. Interestingly, cooking tomatoes, such as in sauces or soups, can increase the availability of lycopene, making them even more beneficial for long-term health and longevity. Number 11. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is not only delicious, but it can also provide surprising health benefits when consumed in moderation. High-quality dark chocolate is rich in powerful antioxidants called flavonoids, which help protect the body's cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. These compounds play an important role in supporting long-term health and may help reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. One of the most well-known benefits of dark chocolate is its ability to support heart health. Flavonoids help improve blood circulation, relax blood vessels, and support healthy blood pressure levels. Some studies suggest that moderate consumption of dark chocolate may help lower the risk of cardiovascular disease. Dark chocolate may also benefit brain function and mood. The natural compounds found in cocoa can improve blood flow to the brain and stimulate the release of chemicals that promote feelings of well-being. Choosing dark chocolate with a high cocoa content and consuming it in moderation can be a small but enjoyable habit that supports overall health and longevity. Number 12. Turmeric. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Its main active compound, curcumin, is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds help protect the body's cells from damage and may play an important role in slowing down processes related to aging. One of the biggest benefits of turmeric is its ability to help reduce chronic inflammation in the body. Long-term inflammation is linked to many serious health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. By helping control inflammation, turmeric supports overall health and may reduce the risk of age-related diseases. Turmeric may also support brain and immune health. Research suggests that curcumin can help protect brain cells and support cognitive function as we age. Adding turmeric to soups, vegetables, or other dishes can be a simple way to include this powerful spice in your daily diet and support long-term health and longevity. Number 13. Yogurt. Yogurt is a highly nutritious food that has been enjoyed for centuries in many cultures around the world. It is especially valued for its probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that help support a healthy digestive system. These probiotics play an important role in maintaining a balanced gut microbiome, which is closely connected to overall health and longevity. A healthy gut microbiome helps improve digestion, immune function, and nutrient absorption. Scientists now believe that the health of our gut bacteria can influence many aspects of our well-being, including metabolism and even mental health. By supporting the digestive system, yogurt helps the body function more efficiently. Yogurt is also a great source of protein, calcium, and essential nutrients that support strong bones and muscle health as we age. Choosing plain yogurt with minimal added sugar can provide valuable nutrients that contribute to long-term health and a balanced diet. Number 14. Oats. Oats are one of the healthiest whole grains you can include in your daily diet. They are rich in important nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Because oats are minimally processed and naturally nutritious, they are an excellent food for maintaining long-term wellness. One of the most important benefits of oats is their high content of a special soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber helps lower harmful cholesterol levels and supports healthy blood sugar control. By improving cholesterol and stabilizing blood sugar, oats play an important role in protecting heart health. Oats are also very satisfying and help support digestive health. The fiber in oats promotes healthy digestion and helps you feel full for longer periods, which can support weight management. Including oats regularly in your meals can be a simple and effective way to support heart health and overall longevity. Number 15. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most nutritious vegetables you can include in a longevity-focused diet. It belongs to the cruciferous vegetable family, which also includes kale, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. These vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and powerful plant compounds that help protect the body's cells from damage and support overall health. One of broccoli's most important compounds is sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant that helps activate the body's natural detoxification process. This compound helps protect cells from oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases, including heart disease and some types of cancer. Broccoli is also an excellent source of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and other essential nutrients that support the immune system, improve digestion, and contribute to strong bones. Adding broccoli to your meals regularly can provide valuable nutrients that help protect your body and support long-term health and longevity. The truth is, living longer doesn't come from one magical food. It comes from building daily habits that nourish your body and protect your health over time. By regularly including these 15 powerful superfoods in your diet, you can support your heart, protect your brain, strengthen your immune system, and improve your overall longevity. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the healthiest foods for your body, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Healthy Grams, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. And before you go, tell us in the comments, which of these superfoods do you already eat regularly? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.